Okay. You can really see it coming through now. So I'm going to continue like that. I'm going to again purl 3, knit 2, the liftover knot stitch, knit 2, purl 2, and then come back, knit 2, purl 7, knit 2. And then here I'm just going to skip these 2 rows because we're good with those. I'm going to do this row because I want to show you what happens if we don't do the knit back and purl back. When we're here, it'll just leave the yarn over hole much bigger and it won't close it off. So let me show you quickly. So if we do this row, it's purl 3, lift over knot stitch. So purl 3, 2, 3, lift over knot stitch. So again, I have my knit stitches. It's going to be hard because I didn't do the one in between. Okay. Knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, and then knit 1, lift over knot stitch. Knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, and then purl 2. Again, so I skipped these 2 rows just so that I could go straight to here and show you how to do these and why they're so important. So make sure you don't skip those, but I did. So we're here. So now it's knit 2, knit 1 through the back loop, purl 1 through the back loop. So I'm going to knit 2, 1, 2. I want to knit 1 through the back loop because I want to make this stitch even tighter than what it already is. So even if it's a purl stitch, I don't care. I'm going to knit it through the back loop. And then my yarn over is right here. I want to completely close it up. If I purl it like this, normally, it's going to create an eyelet. It's going to give me a nice big hole, which I don't want. So it's important for me, as I undo that, it's important for me to purl it through the back loop, coming in, purling it through the back loop. And that closes it off completely. Okay, so, and then I have purl 3, purl through the back loop. So purl 3, 1, 2, 3, and again it's at that yarn over stitch. If I don't purl through the back loop, I'm going to end up with a huge hole. So I want to come in and purl it through the back loop like this and take it off. I'm going to leave this normal. I'm going to pretend I didn't purl it through the back loop. Let's pretend I forgot to purl it through the back loop. And I want us to see what happens. So purl, oops, and then knit through the back loop, yarn back, knit through the back loop, and then knit 3. 1, 2, 3. So let's say I didn't do that. If I do the purl through the back loop, it really closes this up nicely. But if I don't, it leaves this huge hole right there. And it won't give you that stitch definition that you need. So I'll show you what that stitch definition is. So if I don't, you see how clean? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 holes. But if I don't close it properly, I'm going to end up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more holes. So it's important that you really, really pay attention to these purl through the back loop, loop-de-doop things. And then you should be good. All right, have fun.